Hello, good morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on your viewing time. First of all, I want to thank you for watching the presentation video of our first project. Before that, let me introduce myself and my colleagues. My name is Subhanuddin and my two colleagues Andrew Kurniawan and Haryanda Surbakti. The project this time has the theme of the application of information technology somewhere, and we take the school lab as the focus of our project. To open our presentation, I invite my colleague Haryanda.
Okay, thank you, Subhan. First of all, what is school lab? We all know what a school lab is. A school lab is a very important facility both for student and teacher. There are many things that can be done in school lab, such as doing teaching and learn activities, exam to extracurricular activities. So of course, school laboratories need an advanced technology so that user can feel comfortable using it. Next page. In this project, we will talk about network architecture, hardware, software that needed for this school lab, the design of network topology, and the cost all of it. Next page. As we can see the school lab that we will make, that we design. We have 25 PC with one main PC and 24 student PC. We add one projector, printer, internet access, and of course for security we add CCTV. To explain more in depth about the device we use, I will be given by my other colleague, Andrew Kurniawan.
This time, I will explain what hardware and software are used. The main hardware in the school lab is of course the computer. Here, our main PC uses the MSI Infinite S022 desktop with Intel Core i5 Gen 8, 8GB DDR4 RAM, GeForce GTX 1050 Ti, 4GB DDR5, 1TB HDD plus 128GB SSD, and is equipped with MSI monitor optics D241 with 23-inch curved screen area resolution Full HD, and for student PC we use Asus V222 UBK with Intel Core i3 Gen 8, 4GB DDR4, RAM 1TB HDD, and NVIDIA GeForce MX 110 VRAM, DDR3 2GB. We also add other additional tools such as MT keyboard plus USB mouse, Logitech Edge 111 headset, and focus projector, Canon Pixma printer, APC UPS, TP-Link 8 and 24-port switch hub, 3006 M UTP cable, and of course for XL Home provider internet. And for our convenience and safety, key acoustic, key in-wall speaker, SPC, CCTV S99 PC absolute monitor, and Hikvision for DVR after that. Here are the software that must be embedded on every PC that we use, such as Windows 10 OS, Windows Server, MS Office, Adobe Acrobat, Adobe Premiere, and Adobe CC, with a total hardware price of 252 million, 475,000, and 530 million, 440,000 software, so that the total is 782,915 EDR.
Here is the topology. Network topology itself is a method or concept used to connect two or more computers based on the geometric relationship between the basic elements that make up the network, namely nodes, links, and stations that we made for the school lab is a network topology type bus. Bus topology is a computer network topology that uses a single cable for media transfer. So in practice, this type of topology takes advantage of the central cable to which all client and server are connected. In addition, the bus topology also means a type of topology that uses a single cable for the transfer medium, and we use IP class C. The conclusion of our project is the school lab must be made with good planning, because the school lab is a very important facility for school, so it must minimize network, software and hardware failures, and because the costs required are quite large, the manufacturer must be designed very carefully.